The Imartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning robot that can handle a variety of flooring types, including carpet, hard floors, and pet hair. It features 2000 pascals of suction power, which is strong enough to pick up dirt, dust, and debris from even the most stubborn messes. The vacuum also has a built-in mop that can be used to clean hard floors, leaving them sparkling clean. The Imartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner is easy to use. It can be controlled using the included remote control, or it can be programmed to clean your home automatically using the ViLife app. The app allows you to set cleaning schedules, create no-go zones, and monitor the vacuum's cleaning progress. The Imartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner is a great choice for busy homeowners who want a reliable and easy-to-use cleaning solution. It's also a good option for pet owners, as it can easily pick up pet hair and dander. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Imartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. Pros: powerful suction power, built-in mop, easy to use, Wi-Fi connectivity, compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Affordable. Cons: can be noisy, not as good at cleaning corners as some other vacuums, not suitable for very high pile carpets. Overall, the Imartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner is a great option for homeowners who are looking for a powerful and versatile cleaning solution. It's easy to use, affordable, and compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Here are some additional details about the Imartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. Dimensions: 12.5 liters x 12.5 watts x 3.1 h. Weight: 5.5 pounds. Runtime: up to 120 minutes. Battery: 2600 mAh. Suction power: 2000 pascals. Mop water tank: 300 milliliters. Dustbin capacity: 600 milliliters. Noise level: 65 decibels. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile robot vacuum and mop cleaner, the Imartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner is a great option. It's easy to use, affordable, and compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.